If your Blender GLB file is not importing properly or you keep getting an import error, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you the correct place to import a GLB file, the real solution for most import problems, and what to do if the file still fails. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tutorials. Let's jump in. First, in Blender, go to File, then Import and choose glTF 2.0. This is the correct option for both .glb and .glTF files. A lot of people get stuck because they try to open the file the wrong way, but the glTF importer is the one you want. If the file does not import, the first thing to try is opening it in a brand new empty Blender file. Sometimes the issue is not the model itself, but something already inside your current project causing conflicts. So start fresh, create a new scene, and try importing the GLB again. If that still does not work, update Blender to the latest version. Older versions can have compatibility issues, and a newer release may fix the import problem immediately. This is especially important if the GLB was created in a newer workflow or with updated export settings. The next real fix is to re-export the GLB from the original source application. Make sure transforms are applied before exporting. In many cases, the file looks fine, but the export settings are broken, which is why Blender refuses to import it properly. If the file came from the internet, consider re-downloading it too, because corruption during download is also common. If the file still fails after that, then the most likely reason is that the file is corrupt or the extension is unsupported in its current form. GLB files are very strict, so even a small issue in the export can break the import. That is why most GLB problems come from the exporter, not Blender itself. So the simple checklist is: use File, Import, glTF 2.0, try a new empty Blender file, update Blender, and re-export or re-download a clean copy of the model. If you follow those steps, you'll solve most Blender GLB import errors very quickly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Blender fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.